Good morning. I am welcoming you back again in the SciLab elective course, that is Matrix Algebra through SciLab EG 1308. Okay, and till now we have done the various use of SciNote. Today in this session we will discuss how to find out the characteristic polynomial, and then I will leave as exercise to check the Cayley-Hamilton theorem and find the inverse of the matrix as a using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. If you are interested and you are not able to find how to make a SciNote, we will meet live for that discussion. One function I forgot to explain you is the LU factorization of given matrix. So for that you just have to put some matrix A. So let me write A being 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and if you want the LU factorization of matrix, command is you can write here anything, one matrix name and the other matrix name. The first will be this lower matrix and second will be the upper matrix, and that LU of A. So this is L and this is U, but the LU factorization of this matrix is not possible. Still it is giving you that LU factorization because your matrix is not in the proper fashion. But if you write a 10 50 90 and then just do for the LU factorization, see you are getting the lower triangular matrix and upper triangular matrix. You can just give name anything here, for example C D also, and answer will be the same, but the corresponding matrix name will be C and D respectively. Okay, now here we will discuss how to evaluate the characteristic polynomial. So again, function, I am giving the name characteristic polynomials char poly of my matrix A. Again, I have to check that matrix is square or not. So first of all, the size of your matrix I will store as B, and if the B's first entry is same as B's second entry, then only I have to perform something. Otherwise printf, what that print will be, given matrix is not a square matrix. Correct. So if it is square matrix, then it has to perform something. So that something I am writing is, first of all, it will store some variable, so that is x. So for that, you know the command, it is 0 comma in bracket x. So right now that x is stored as one variable, and in output also it will display x. If you replace this x by something else, you know it will be replaced by that variable. Okay, so here C being the determinant of A minus x times identity matrix of order k by k, but I have given k is not stored. So first of all I have to store that. K being B11. Okay, I am putting one more bracket here, so it is not having any confusion. First of all, it will make the identity matrix of k by k, then it will multiply to x. So this bracket is for that explanation, and then it will make the determinant. Okay, so it will be the characteristic polynomial, and at the end you want display the C. So let me just save and execute. So char poly is executed. Char poly of my matrix A, it is giving me the characteristic polynomial of A. Let me replace A with the original one. That characteristic polynomial for this matrix is now known to you. You can find, and answer is there. See, you know that constant term gives the determinant of a, and determinant of a is 0, so here it is 0. So that can help you to find the inverse. I know, you know that Cayley-Hamilton theorem satisfies the characteristic polynomial. Cayley-Hamilton theorem says that matrix A satisfies the characteristic polynomial. So how you will do this? Just replace x by a. So see, 18 times a plus 15 times a square minus 1 times a cube, and see what the answer is. It's a 0. So this is how you can practice the Cayley-Hamilton theorem is satisfied, and you can even find the inverse of the matrix using the Cayley-Hamilton theorem. You know how to perform that. So with this, we are stopping the sessions. This was the course of the syllabus that we were discussing the SciLab. Matrix operations, sign not, and various matrix operations using that. All this stuff was the course outcomes that we already have done. Mathematical computings using that. Unit 1 was about the introduction of the SciLab environment, workspace, and some directories, elementary programming, then creating matrices and some matrix operations that we have done. Advanced matrix algebra through SciLab, that also we have done. We have done in the practicals to input row, column vectors, square and rectangular matrices, obtain addition, subtraction, multiplication, division of matrices, and multiplication with the scalars also. We have done obtaining submatrices for given matrix, delete some row columns, finding minors, cofactors, and adjoint of a matrix. We can find the inverse of matrix using adjoint of matrix. Then commands, that is zeros, ones, identity matrix, random matrix, determinant, invertible, all such commands. You can find the inverse using Gauss elimination and Gauss Jordan method. You can find the eigenvalues and eigenvectors. We have done all that part also. And to find the inverse using Cayley-Hamilton theorem, just I have explained you the process. So you are getting the characteristic polynomial, and you know then what the operations you have to perform for the finding the inverse. Okay, so with this we are stopping the SciLab course, and if you are having still query, you can ask me anywhere. The better platform is the Telegram. Otherwise, and if you will ask me there, we will set up the live sessions also. Okay, so I am stopping this sessions here. Thank you. Do the practice of all the stuff at home. Stay at home. Stay safe. Thank you.